Well, hey everyone, I'm really excited to announce this new series of videos moving forward. Every Thursday, I'll be bringing you a video. I'm calling the series Approaching the Scene. And it's going to talk about everything sort of creative visual these days, creative storytelling. We're going to talk about things mostly related to digital photography, but we'll also talk about time-lapse and video. I want to take some of your questions. I'm going to talk to other professional photo educators and photographers about where they see the industry headed, what's new on the horizon, how are things changing. We're going to talk about connecting a little bit better with your subject in the field to create better images in camera, and then some techniques for doing a more consistent job editing them and taking advantage of some of the new tools that we have. The last couple of years have been just a whirlwind busy for me. I've been helping OnOne build the Plus community, which has grown to over 16,000 members, and I coach in regularly. I've had 2 little ones, which are just starting to kind of graduate from diapers right now. And I've been traveling a ton. I've actually been gone most of the last 6 weeks, from New York to Greece and from Vancouver Island down to Bears Ears, Moab, and Monument Valley. It's just been kind of a whirlwind. So I'm excited to use some of the special position that I'm in as both a photo educator and as a professional photographer and as someone who's engaged in creating really ultra high quality, high resolution images. And I'm uniquely positioned, I think, to have my finger on the pulse of people with what they're struggling with their photography. Both people that are just starting out and people that have been passionate about it for a long time, and particularly people like me who've transitioned from film through the early days of digital to now, and where is this all headed? I think it's an incredibly exciting time to be a creative visual storyteller. The equipment is getting easier to use. The bar to entry is so much lower since we have instantaneous feedback on whether what we're doing is working or not. And the convergence of high resolution video, ultra high resolution time lapse, and still photography all into one instrument that you can carry with you, and that's getting lighter and lighter and higher quality is just really exciting. When I think about what's possible today as compared to just 10 years ago, it's incredible. We can basically take photos in the dark and use moonlight as if it were sunlight and photograph the Milky Way and pinpoint stars. And it's just a really exciting time to be using the technology and watching it evolve. So in this series, I want to talk about equipment. I want to talk about capturing images in the field. I want to talk about post-processing, and I want to get feedback both from you. There's a place to go ask questions on my website, hudsonhenry.com/ATS. We're calling this series Approaching the Scene. And it really is just about approaching the scene and approaching editing your scene once you get back in. It's all kind of interrelated. So I hope you'll join me. This is going to be a really exciting journey, and make sure you click subscribe on the YouTube channel. You're going to be finding these videos on my blog on the YouTube channel. I'll be sharing them in social, both on Facebook and Instagram. You can always find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And again, the place to leave your questions, I've got a link right here. It's hudsonhenry.com/ATS.